Love it or hate it, the San Juan Worm is one of the easiest and most effective flies to tie. Some might say it's cheating, but I say it's a food source, so it's okay in my book. To start, take a standard nymph hook like a Mustad 3906 and place it in the jaws of your vise. For thread, we're going to use red 8/0 or 70 denier. Wrap your thread under the hook and cut off your tag end. For the body of the fly, you'll need about 2 to 3 inches of micro chenille, here in pink. Get your thread just above the point of the hook and tie in your micro chenille using a pinch wrap. Wrap the thread over the chenille a decent amount to create what would be the clitellum on a worm. Then bring your thread forward to just a little bit behind the eye of the hook. This next step is my favorite, though I don't see many people tie the San Juan Worm this way. I'm not sure why. I bend the chenille to make a loop to imitate the worm as it swims through the water. Next, using pinch wraps again, tie the thread around the chenille to lock it in place on top of the hook. While I get my whip finishing tool, why not subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos just like this one and be the first to know about our monthly giveaways. Give us a like as well. Here you can see that as you pull the thread down and tries to twist over the hook, a little bit of super glue can help with this problem. Take your whip finishing tool and whip finish a few times to lock everything in place. Readjust your chenille if needed and cut off your thread. Once the chenille is where you want it, add a little bit of head cement. I went pretty light here, but you can add a lot more to make sure that things stay in place. The last step is to take a lighter to each end of the chenille and just very quickly touch the flame to the material. This will give it a nice pointed head and tail and will also keep the chenille material from fraying. And there you have it, the San Juan Worm.